Hi everyone! If you haven't yet seen our video on recurrent schedules, I recommend watching it first. It covers the basics of setting up tasks to repeat automatically. In this video, we'll focus on the new update, custom recurrent schedules. Sometimes, your routines don't fit into daily, weekly, or monthly presets. That's where custom comes in. It gives you full flexibility to stop exactly the interval you need. To use it, choose the task you want, open the expanded menu, click Schedule, select the date of the task, and click Next. At the bottom of the recurrent schedule options, you'll see Custom. Select it for the most flexible way to set repeating tasks. So, with Custom, you set two things: the time interval, days, weeks, month, or years, and the number of intervals. For example, we have every 1 day selected, so the task will repeat daily. Change it to every 3 days, and Blitzit will schedule this task for every 3rd day. A small tip line under the settings explains your choice in plain words, as in this case, every 3 days. This makes it easy to double-check your setup before saving. When you choose weeks as the interval, you also get to pick the exact weekdays you want the task to repeat on. Let's say we set it to repeat every 4 weeks, and select Monday and Friday. The summary below confirms it. Every 4 weeks on Monday, Friday. To remove a weekday, just click it again. For month, you get a different type of control than with weeks. After choosing the interval, you can decide whether the task repeats on the same date you chose each month, for example, the 14th, or on the same day of the week, like every second Sunday. This is especially useful for monthly meetings or deadlines that always fall on a specific weekday. For years, the setup is simple. The task repeats on the same date, and you can adjust the number of years. So, if you set every 4 years, the task will appear again on that date 4 years later. That's some real long-term planning. Once you've chosen your settings, click Schedule, and Blitzit will generate child tasks just like with regular recurrent schedules. Custom recurrent schedules give you maximum flexibility for handling the rhythms of your work. Try it out and make your task management even more precise. If this video was helpful, check out our other tutorials and join the Discord community, where you can share your productivity strategies, get feedback, and connect with fellow users. Happy Blitzing!